Hi there. We're going to learn how to make a bolt, a threaded bolt. So to start, what we're going to do is we're going to start with a sketch. So I'm going to create a sketch. I'm going to sketch it here. Now, my measurements are in millimeters. You should always check this. So I'm going to start with a circle, and I'm going to just create a circle. Let's make this kind of a large bolt. So I think we're going to do let's do a 20 millimeter bolt. So this would be like an M20 bolt. And we're going to make this an M20 by 40. So let's grab this and we're going to pull this up by 40 millimeters. There we go. We now have the first part of our bolt. This is going to be the kind of shaft of the bolt. Next step is to thread it. So we're going to go here to thread and we're going to select this face, and there's a bunch of parameters here that we can choose. I'm not going to really mess with any of them. I'm just going to leave them because they're pretty default the way they are. But this is like I said, an M20 bolt. So you can see it's an M20 times 2.5. So that's the designation of this bolt. And then the last thing that we need to do is we need to click on modeled and then click OK. And so you can see this is actually a threaded bolt right here. So it's that easy to make threads in Fusion 360. But we need to add something on top of this so that it's an actual bolt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to sketch on top of the surface right here, and we're going to make this a hex bolt. So I'm going to create a polygon, and I'm going to use the circumscribed polygon. I'm going to select the center of this, and I'm going to start pulling this out. And you can see it's already defaulting to 6. So let's make this a 20 millimeter head, and we want it to be 6-sided. So we're just going to hit enter. But you can play with those different number of sides and the distance on the head of the bolt. I'm going to finish my sketch though, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to extrude this hexagon I just drew. So I'm going to extrude this, and I'm going to go up maybe 15 millimeters. Let's go 10. And I'm going to hit enter. Now, you generally don't see bolts like this. This, like I said, is an awfully big bolt. And I'm going to actually chamfer the edges. So I'm going to use the chamfer tool, and I'm going to chamfer all of these edges because it's a little bit too sharp. I can turn the bolt. And you can see the edges that I've selected are now blue. And I'm going to chamfer this by, I think, maybe a 0.5 millimeter, just a little bit. So there we go. There is my bolt that is threaded. Thank you for watching.